everyone, welcome to another math tutorial. Now we have this nice exponential equation to solve. Okay, that is, our task is to solve for the value of x. Now this is it. It is important for us to look carefully and see how the problem can be solved. The first thing we need to observe here is that the power of 2 in the first term is a fractional exponent. That is, we have fractional index in this case. This is a fractional index. This is also a fractional index. But we can make this if we want this to have the same power as the first term. Okay, first we'll need to expand the numerator of the power of 2 in the second term. So I'll write this again: 2 raised to the power of 2x minus 1 divided by x minus 1 plus 2 raised to the power of 2x plus x, which is equals to 3x minus 1 divided by x minus 1, and that is equals to 24. Okay, now we write this again: 2 raised to the power of 2x minus 1 over x minus 1 plus 2 raised to the power of 2x. Now I'm going to switch this, that is the x and minus 1 in this case, so that this will be 2x minus 1, okay, 2x minus 1, then plus x minus 1 divided by x minus 1 equals to 24. Now, in this case, we can break this into 2 because x minus 1 is the denominator, so this is the common denominator. Let's not forget that what we are trying to do in this case is to simplify this as in the second term, so that the same fractional exponent in the first term, we can also have it in the second term. Okay, so in this case, this will be 2 raised to the power of x minus 1 divided by x minus 1 plus 2 raised to the power of 2x minus 1, okay, over x minus 1 plus x minus 1 over x minus 1 equals to 24. So this will reduce to what? 1. So in this case, we have 2 raised to the power of 2x minus 1 over x minus 1 plus 2 raised to the power of 2x minus 1 over x minus 1 plus 1 equals to 24. Now, we can now see that the fractional exponent of 2 in the second term and that of the first term are the same. So now let's choose a letter from the alphabet to represent 2x minus 1 divided by x minus 1. So if I choose a letter, let's say let m equals to 2x minus 1 over x minus 1. So we then have the new equation to be 2 exponent m, okay, plus 2 exponent m plus 1 equals to 24. Okay, now in this case, we can again write this to be 2 raised to the power of m plus 2 raised to the power of m multiplied by 2 raised to the power of 1 equals to 24. Okay, that is, if we apply the property a raised to the power of m plus n, that will be equals to a exponent m multiplied by a exponent what? Exponent n, using what we call power rule for exponent. All right, so in this case, 2 exponent m is a common factor. So I'm going to factor out 2 raised to the power of m, so that this will be 2 raised to the power of m bracket 1 plus 2 equals to 24. 1 plus 2, that will be 3. So in this case, we have 3 multiplied by 2 raised to the power of m equals to 24. Okay, so now we have 3 bracket 2 raised to the power of m equals to 24. So if we divide both sides by 3, this will be 3 multiplied by 2 raised to the power of m divided by 3 equals to 24 divided by 3. Okay, so 24 divided by 3 is 8. So that 2 raised to the power of m equals to 8. Now, in this case, we can then express it as a power of 2. That is, we can have 2 raised to the power of m equals to 2 exponent 3. Now, the base will cancel out. That is because if we use the property a exponent m equals to a exponent n, this implies that because the bases are equal on both sides, so we then set the powers to be equal. So in this case, the value of m will be equals to 3. Okay, that's the value of m, not the value of x. Now we can now recall. Let's recall. We know that m is equals to 2x minus 1 divided by what? X minus 1. So now that the value of m is 3, so this will be 3 equals to 2x minus 1 over x minus 1. So to solve for x, let's cross multiply in this case. So this will be 3 bracket x minus 1 equals to 2x minus 1. Okay, 2x minus 1. So 3 times x, that will be 3x. 3 times minus 1, that will be minus 3. Then equals to 2x minus 1. Then we can now combine like terms. So that this will be 3x minus 2x equals to minus 1 plus 3. 3x minus 2x, that will be x. Okay, this is x. Then minus 1 plus 3, that will be 2. So the value of x which satisfies this equation is 2. Now we can verify our answer by to check for the correctness of our solution. So now let's verify. The equation is 2 exponent 2x minus 1 over x minus 1, then plus 2 to the power of 3x minus 2 over x minus 1 equals to 24. So this is the left hand side. So let's work with the left hand side. The left hand side is 2 exponent 2x minus 1 over x minus 1. Okay, then plus 2 raised to the power of 3x minus 2 over x minus 1. Now that the value of x is 2, okay, when x is equals to 2, okay, so this will now be 2 raised to the power of 2 times 2 minus 1 over 2 minus 1 plus 2 raised to the power of 3 times 2 minus 2 over 2 minus 1. 2 times 2, that's 4. So this will be 2 raised to the power of 4 minus 1 over 1 plus 2 raised to the power of 3 times 2 is 6. So 6 minus 2, then over what? 1. So in this case, 4 minus 1 is 3. So we have 2 raised to the power of 3, and this will be 2 raised to the power of 4. 2 raised to the power of 3 is 8. 2 raised to the power of 4 is 16. 16 plus 8, that is 24. So which means that the left hand side is equivalent to the what? To the right hand side. And like I said, the value of x which satisfies the exponential equation is 2. Bye-bye.